sovereign cloud is all about empowering European customers and protecting European data.
The reason sovereignty is such a hot topic right now has to do a lot with the current geopolitical tensions. And I think European customers are increasingly looking to sovereign solutions to address some of those risks.
Digital sovereignty should not be longer aspirational in Europe. It should be essential and a fundamental requirement for shaping the Europe that I hope we all want for the 21st century.
It is very important that we protect and support trust in the values and in the governance of Europe. And sovereignty and cloud is the base of the sovereignty.
What Professor Draghi says is the EU must have the ambition, and is quoted here, to regain and retain control over data and sensitive cloud services.
There is no one definition of sovereignty. We have to build solutions that are meeting the needs of the end customer, whether they're government, defense, intelligence, healthcare, critical national infrastructure. All of those different industries and many more have different requirements. So we need to build solutions that fit different requirements based on different industry needs.